English is easy when I stay calm. I don't need to feel alarmed. I learn a little every day in a simple, gentle way. I listen close and take my time. English feels easy in my mind.
I start with words I hear a lot. Simple sounds connect my thoughts. I repeat them slow and clear. I understand a little more each year.
No pressure, no need to race.
English fits into my space.
I breathe in, I slow down, I smile when English comes around. With patience and practice too,
English feels easier to do.
English is easy when I try. I learn step by step, day by day.
I listen, speak, and understand.
English feels close at hand.
English is easy, yes, it's true, when I learn in a calm way too.
I hear English in daily life, morning time and every night. Short sentences help me speak, even when I feel a bit weak. Every word has its place. English learning feels safe.
Mistakes help me learn and grow. They show me things I didn't know. I don't stop, I don't feel bad. Every try is something good I have.
I accept the way I learn. English gives me things in return. I trust myself, I trust the way I learn English every day. With gentle effort, not too fast, I know my progress will last. English is easy when I try. I learn step by step, day by day.
I listen, speak, and understand.
English feels close at hand. English is easy, yes, it's true, when I learn in a calm way too. Some days slow, some days clear. Every day I stay right here, learning softly, learning free. English comes naturally.
I study English with a smile. I practice for a little while. I review what I already know. I let my confidence grow.
Simple habits help me see English is friendly to me. Now I feel relaxed and fine. English learning takes its time. Little steps are all I need to help my English grow and lead.
I remind myself each day,
English is easy in my way. English is easy when I try. I learn step by step, day by day.
I listen, speak, and understand.
English feels close at hand. English is easy, yes, it's true, when I learn in a calm way too. English is easy when I'm kind to my learning and my mind. With simple words along the way, English feels easy every day.